What's your name?
My name's Jasmine Elcock.
Jasmine, how old are you?
I've turned 14 2 days ago.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Who have you brought with you?
I've got my dad with me here today and my mum.
Brilliant. Well, this is 2 minutes that could really change everything, so good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you. No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you.
She's got a great part.
So sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all that's said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after life? I can feel something inside me saying, and I really don't think you're strong enough now. Well, I don't need you anymore. No, I don't need you anymore. Do you believe in life after life? I can feel something inside me saying, and I really don't think you're strong enough for now.
Love our lips to the audience.
Do you believe in life after life? Yeah. I can feel something inside me saying, and I really don't think you're strong enough for now.
Emotional.
Oh, she deserved that.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
You know what? I was at one point losing the will to live, thinking maybe all the talent has gone. And now you come back, little thing, with such a great voice, so charming. And let me tell you, I think this country is going to totally fall in love with you.
For so many reasons, that audition moved me so much. I've never been this much of a mess on the show. Literally. Oh, my goodness. I hope all your dreams come true. You deserve it. You really do.
Oh, look, Alicia.
Well done, guys.
Thank you so much.
What have you just done, Yasmin? What have you just done? No, you're not. come here.
Oh my gosh, thank
Well done,
you.
Yasmin. Well done, come here, Dad. Well done. Well done.
Congratulations.
Really
We will
special
see
moment.
you in the studio for the live semi-finals. You're straight through to the semis.